This is a 1986 Bilt horse rototiller. It has a leak in the seal for the tine shaft, and we're going to replace that. Also replacing the tines. It had the original tines, and we took those off to replace them. To do that, I also took off the cover that covers the tines, and here are the tine holders removed with new tines installed. The shafts that hold the tine holders have an oil seal, and that was leaking on the left side, so I need to replace it. You can find new seals, and here's what they look like. To remove the seal, I'm going to try using some sheet metal screws. The ones I've picked are number 10 by 1 1/4 inch long. I made two pulling tools. Each one's a piece of tubing with a hole drilled through it for the screw, a clearance hole. The next step is to drill a hole in the seal for the screw. I'm using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Some oil is coming out. I'll actually make two of these and then thread in the tools to pop the seal out with. The next step is to screw in the metal screws into the holes. There's one. We'll now try to hammer the bearing out. It came right out, very easy. The next step is to clean off the shaft. I'm going to be using 320 grit fine flexible sanding sheets. The next step is to press in the bearing. I'm going to be using some PVC pipe, 1 1/2 inch diameter, which surrounds the bearing, and I'll tap it in with a hammer. It's mostly in, but not quite. Yeah, looking pretty good. We're now putting on the tine holder with the new tines. I put some grease on the shaft, so this will come off again easily. Notice the key has to line up. Also some grease on the bolt that holds the tine holder in. There, the left holder is all on, and we can see the cutting edges are facing forward at the top. The next step is to put on the tine cover, which is held on by 6 bolts. There are 4 on the back. There are 2 more bolts on the front. The next step is to install the height adjusting lever. Now we need to attach the height adjusting lever to the bar. We lost some oil during the repair, so let's check the level. To do this, we put a 2x4 under the drag bar. The oil check plug is on the front. We use a 5/8 inch wrench. And there's a fill level gauge on the end of the fill plug. We'll insert the gauge vertically, touching the shaft to find the oil level. Okay, and there's no oil showing on the cold mark, so we'll simply add some more 140 weight GL1 gear oil, and the job is done.